Underwater vessel repairs and underwater maintenance services in Chios, Greece. Chios is one of the best choices for a vessel since it is a safe European destination where it can accept vessels with fully loaded draft conditions to be served at the Anchorage of Chios with brief and without complex bureaucratic procedures and under the absolute supervision of the company BEVALDIA with easy port call entry with few formalities. Due to the frequent transit, the port authorities have great experience regarding underwater services and therefore will not unnecessarily implicate the vessel with purposeless procedures and formalities. The area of Chios constitutes an anchorage with excellent seawater conditions 12 months a year, where it has alternative areas all year round where the vessel is protected. Furthermore, Chios has appropriate infrastructures to accommodate crew, surveyors, and workers. It can also provide all provisions that the vessel might need, while it is very close to decision-making centers and central cities and is very easily connected with all of Greece. Therefore, very quickly workshops, supplies, etc. can transport to service your good vessel. Moreover, all this is done at competitive prices compared to neighboring countries. Our company BEVALDIA disposes in Chios state-of-the-art equipment that can serve the vessel in all matters of underwater operations, underwater hull cleaning, in-water class surveys with the recognition of IACS and dry ship repair services. Also, important advantages of this area is the excellent underwater visibility, but as well that Chios remains a hub with minimal deviation. We would be more than happy to serve your requests. Please send your inquiries along with vessels particulars to info@bevaldia.com.